Okay guys, today we're gonna mine Bitcoin using a three different way. First is XM Rig Miner, and then the second one is CPU Multi Miner, and the other one is Web Miner. So let's do this. First, important, you need a MetaMask wallet like this. You need a MetaMask wallet to receive your reward or your Bitcoin. Then if you download the wallet, just click the receive. Then copy the Bitcoin wallet address. So you can see. Now let's download the userland and then we install Ubuntu. Please first click the Play Store, then search userland userland then click search. Okay, then we're gonna install userland. As you can see guys, I'm using a tablet with 6 gig of RAM and 128 internal memory. So first, let's install this userland. Then we're gonna install the Ubuntu inside of this userland. This is the hard way of mining Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna show you how to mine Bitcoin in easy way and also a solo mining. Now let's click open and then select Ubuntu, then click continue, click allow. Here just click no for now. Here click continue. Here terminal, click continue. And let's wait to download the file system. Now after we download the Ubuntu, it will automatically open. Now let's update and upgrade the file system. To do that, just type sudo apt update, then click enter. And let's wait. By the way guys, this process depends on your internet connection. Now next we're gonna upgrade the file system. To do that, type sudo apt upgrade. Now we upgrade and then space dash y to continue the upgrade, then enter. Then let's wait again. Okay, don't mind it. The red one, don't mind it. Now let's install and download the other the other tools we need a git, we need a build essential cmake, libuv1-dev, libssl-dev, libhwloc-dev. So to do that, let's type it sudo apt. Now install, okay, git space, then build dash essential space, then we're gonna install cmake space, then we're gonna install libuv and one, okay, dash dev space, we're gonna install libssl dash dev, and then we're gonna install space lib hwloc dash dev, and then let's put here dash y or yes, then let's click enter. Let me check first. Git build essential cmake libuv1-dev libssl. Now to confirm or to install it, let's click enter. Okay, let's wait again. Now as you can see, it's done. We're gonna clone the repository of xmrig. So to do that, just type git space clone, gonna clone space https colon, and then github.com/xmrig/xmrig.git. Okay, get space clone space https. We forgot some double slash here. Okay, double slash. Okay, github.com/xmrig/xmrig.git. Then I'm gonna put some dash y. Okay, space dash y to ensure it will continue. Now just click enter. Okay, we have some error. Okay, okay, just remove the dash y. So we're going back to our type earlier. Just click this arrow up and then just remove it. Okay, with without dash y, and let's enter. Okay, it's working. It's cloning now. Just wait. Okay, it's done. Now, after we download the XMBrig miner, let's change the directory. Our target is XMRig. So just type cd, change directory to XMRig, then click enter. Okay, now we're gonna make a file inside of XMRig. So to do that, just type mkdir space build. Okay, make directory, then click enter. Okay, then we're gonna change the directory again to build, from xmrig to build. Now cd space build. Okay, click enter. Now our directory is build. Now let's next we're gonna type cmake. C Yes, earlier we installed a cmake space dot dot, then click enter, and then let's wait. Okay, it's done. Okay, next, just to compile it, just type make, then space dash j, then dollar sign. Okay, close parenthesis, and proceed, and proceed, then close parenthesis, and then we hit enter, click enter, then we wait. Okay, we have a internal compiler. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Let's check again. Okay, let's install again the cmake. So type sudo install make. CMake. Okay. Okay. Click enter. Let's wait. Okay, it's done. Now let's install the last one. Make space dash j dollar sign close parenthesis and proceed again close parenthesis. Now let's see. Click enter. Okay, it's working now. Okay, it's working now. Let's wait. If you have some error like this, just install again the CMake. Okay, so now we have a XMRig miner inside the userland or our tablet. Now we're going to make a mining configuration. This mining configuration we make is for unmineable.com. Now let's go to unmineable.com, but first we need a Bitcoin address. I'm gonna using MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask wallet, just install it, then click receive. Okay, and then copy the Bitcoin address, and then let's go back, type unmineable, see unmineable, then click unmineable. Here we're gonna build, or we're gonna make a mining configuration using our address. So just click here at the top, simulator support app address, click address, then oops, let's change the token from Dogecoin here, tap it, and then type BTC, go, and then we're gonna paste our BTC mining address here, and then click search. Okay, so now this is our mining address or our address. As you can see, it's zero balance. Click here, and then we're gonna select CPU, and then random X, no worker. So we're gonna use random X or XMRig miner. Let's click this wizard. Okay, now we're gonna set this advance. Okay, we're gonna using CPU here, random X or XMRig. Okay, then we're gonna search Bitcoin. Okay, and then paste the address here. This is our address. See MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, you can use it. Then after we paste the wallet address, click next. Okay, global recommended 443. Okay, now our worker name, we're gonna type here any worker name you want. For me, I'm gonna type my worker name and then click next. Okay, referral code. Okay. Continue without referral code. Okay. And then here we're gonna use Linux, not Windows, because we're gonna mine on our Android. So click is Linux. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna put this all in the description below. All you need to do is to put your Bitcoin address or replace my Bitcoin address on your own Bitcoin address. Okay, or I'm not gonna put my address on the description, just name address or your address. Now let's copy this As you can see, let's copy this, our mining configuration, copy. You can download it or you can copy. Now let's go back to userland. Now let's copy it and then paste in userland. Let's open. No, 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 no. Okay, here. Let's copy our. Don't worry, guys. If you copy the mining configuration, just hold hold it, hold the screen, then click paste, and then it will copy. Okay. Now after you copy, just click enter to start the miner or to activate the miner. Let's do this. Click enter. Okay, the miner is started. And then your Android phone or your tablet is working now and it's starting generate heat. So don't forget to put some cooling system on your device. Okay, let's wait. A accepted share, and then let's go back to unmineable.com to see our activities or our earnings. Now just let's wait after we have accepted shares in the network. As you can see, I'm recording and my mining is slow. As you can see, it's 3 accepted only. So that's why I'm recording right now. We're gonna go to unmineable.com. So let's see. Okay. Now let's go to our address. Click. Okay. And then click live. Okay. This, as you can see, we have earnings. We receive a Bitcoin right here. And then worker, when you click worker, this is our hash or speed from RandomX with one worker. And if you click live, you can see our Bitcoin reward for over the past 5 minutes. Okay, so we have earnings now, and we need to earn 0.003075, okay, 0.00075 Bitcoin to be able to withdraw our reward. As you can see, guys, it's worth something $50, 50 US dollar, 0.0075 BTC. Okay, you can adjust this, or you can say auto pay once a day at 13 UTC. Just enable it. Okay, and that's it. When you reach 0.00075 BTC, you can withdraw your earnings with 1% mining fees. Here, as you can see here. Okay, if you have referral, as you can see, we have another reward here. Okay, another reward. Let's go back to our mining. As you can see, for accepted, and we have a mining reward. Now to stop this mining, this is XMRig. Okay, so just tap the screen and then just click Control C to stop the miner. Control C. Okay, exiting. Just wait. We just type it again. Okay, we just type 2 times Control C and Control C. Now, if you want to exit here, just click Control A and Control D. Okay, Control A, Control D. Okay, now the miner is closed. If you want to mine again, just click the user land, or if you want to sure that user land is closed, just slide up down here. Then as you can see, it's running on the background. Click the arrow and then stop session. Okay, it's stopped. Now if you want to mine again, just open the user land, then click sessions here in the middle, then click Ubuntu. Okay, then let's wait. Now to begin again, to start the miner again, just type or use this arrow, then find cdxmrig. Okay, then click enter. Then again the arrow, find cd build. Where's cd build? Okay, cd space build, click enter. Then after this, the mining configuration, click the arrow again, click up here. Then click enter to start the miner. As you can see, it will start again. Okay, now the next miner is CPU multi-miner for solo mining. Okay, to stop this, just click Control C to cancel. Then Control again, Control C again. And then to exit, Control A, Control D. Okay, and then slide down, then click the arrow, stop sessions. Okay, then open it again, then click session. Okay, now we're gonna add Ubuntu again. We're gonna add session. Okay, this session is solo. Okay, BTC solo. We're gonna put some name here. Solo mining. Okay, then click this to save. Okay, now at the top, this is XMRig, and this is a CPU multi-miner. Then just open it. Now we're gonna install the CPU multi-miner. Okay, so we are gonna install some file system here. Let's type it. Let's install it. Type sudo app space. Okay, again libssl libssl-dev space, then libcurl 4, libcurl, and then 4. Okay, 4 dash dev space. No. Mm, dash open SSL. Open SSL dash dev. Okay, dash dev space. Okay, libjohnson dash dev. Libjohnson double SON dash dev, and then space git build essential. Okay, git build. Okay, install git and build essential dash build dash essential. Okay, and then space automate. Sorry, automate space zlib one, or is the one zlib one, and g dash dev. Okay, zlib 1g dash dev. Then we're gonna put some dash y to continue the installing, or yeah, the installing. Now we're gonna click enter. Click enter. Now let's install one by one. Sudo apt. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I have something forget. Okay, let's back again. And then let's click here install. I forgot to type the install. Sudo apt install. Okay, install. Okay. Okay, right now it's complete now. Sudo apt install libssl, libcurl 4 openssl, libjohnson, get build essential, not get, git build essential, automate zlib1g dash dev. Now just click enter. Let's wait. There will be automatically install all of those. Okay, now it says okay, it's done. Okay, now we're gonna clone the miner, the CPU miner multi. Okay, let's type it. Git space clone. We're gonna clone it. Then HTTPS. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna put this command in the description below. Okay, github.com/tp/ruvot/cpu miner dash multi dot git. Okay, let's check again. Git clone https:// github.com tp. Okay, then click enter to clone it. Let's wait. Okay, again guys, this is for solo mining, and this miner is compatible with Android 5 and up, 5.1 and up. This miner is compatible for 5.1 and up Android version. Now, let's change the directory. Let's go to cd space CPU miner dash multi. Okay. Now, click enter. Now, we're gonna type dot slash build dot sh, then click enter. Okay, now we're gonna wait. Okay, it's done. Now we're gonna make an mining configuration. Let's go to public pool IO. Okay, again we're gonna public pool.io. Okay. Sorry. Now let's click it. As you can see here, we're gonna put our address here. Now, okay, we're gonna put our address here. Click. Now, let's paste it. Okay, but first, we're gonna use this port number. You can use TCP, Stratum TCP 3333 or TLS 4333. Okay, let's click my worker. As you can see, we don't have worker yet. Now, we're gonna make a configuration. Let's go back to, wait, TCP is, we're gonna use Stratum TCP. Okay, 3333. Now, let's do this. 3333. Click session. Click BTC solo mining. Okay. Now we're gonna type this. Okay, CPU miner. That dash multi space / algo. Okay. Then space SHA 256. Then space / URL, and then space stratum plus, where's the plus? Okay, TCP, then, okay, public pool, public dash pool dot io slash our port number 3333. Okay, then space dash dash user. Okay, our space, our Bitcoin address, paste, then put some dot, no space. Our worker name, I'm gonna put Kitamoko. Don't worry if you don't want a worker name, it's okay. Or if you want a worker name, just put some dot, then your worker name with no space. Now, after my worker name, space, dash dash, a password, just put some X, pass, space, then X, then space, dash dash. So here, we're gonna put some threads. Our threads common for mobile phone or tablet right now is octa-core or 8 core, 8 threads. I'm gonna use only 7 threads because I'm recording right now on my tablet. So I'm gonna use only 7, but don't use maximum of your CPU. It will generate heat if you don't have a cooling system. You can adjust your CPU usage just like 5 or 6. Now let's see. Let's enter and let's see if it is working. Click enter. Okay, so it says CPU miner dash multi. No such file. Okay, let's remove the multi. Okay, get it. Okay, just delete. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna put this in the description below so you can use this working. Now let's enter. Okay, unknown parameter. Okay, again, let's add a D. Use arrow. We have some parameter we forgot. Okay, this algorithm. Okay, we put some D here. Okay, now let's enter again. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's wait. For now, guys, let's wait. As you can see, if you have some error like this, you can see you have something to forget. But don't worry, guys. I'm gonna put all parameter in the description below. As you can see here, we have accepted. One accepted. Let's wait. I think 5 or I think 4 it's okay. Or let's wait after 5 minutes to appear our mining worker in the mining pool. Okay. Okay, we have rejected, but it's normal. So let's go to our paste your Bitcoin address, my worker. As you can see here, we have a worker named Kitamoko. Then session 1, 6.6. mega hash. Okay, now our best difficulty is 0.28 difficulty. Now, if you hit the black, your difficulty is higher 138.97 trillion. Then the reward is going to your Bitcoin wallet address. This is solo mining. So you will receive a 100% reward. This is not a shared mining. This is a solo mining. Before we install XMbrick on Mineable here, but this is shared mining. This pool, this pool is solo mining, the public pool.io. Now let's check it again. Now it's 6.2 mega hash. Let's go back to our mining session. Okay, as you can see here, we have projected. This is normal to our mining. Okay, now guys, if you want to stop the miner again, just type the screen. Okay, after you tap the screen, Control C to cancel. Okay, then if you want to exit, Control A, Control D. Okay, now hide it. Now scroll down your mobile phone or your tablet. Click the arrow down, stop session. Okay, now if you want to mine again, just open the userland, then click session, and then if you want a solo mining or shared mining, Bitcoin mining, now just click solo mining, then click this arrow, then find CD CPU miner dash multi, click enter, then click the arrow again, find the mining configuration, click enter to start the mining or the miner. As you can see, it will start right away. Okay, and then again it will, as you can see, we have one accepted. Then let's go back to and publicpool.io and refresh. Okay, session 2. Okay, just now it will record here. Our best difficulty right now is 0.34 difficulty. Okay, now let's wait. Okay, tap. Let's wait after 10 minutes. Okay, and let's see our public pool dashboard. Okay, let's see. Let's go to publicpool.io and refresh it. Okay, our best difficulty is 0.65 and our hash rate is 17.1 and okay, now again guys, make sure your best difficulty is 138.97 trillion above. Okay? So it will automatically deposit to your Bitcoin mining address with 0% mining fee. I'm transfer fee. Okay, now let's stop the miner. Control C, Control A, Control D to exit. Slide down and then stop session. Okay, stop session. Okay, it's done. Now we're going to easy mining. Let's go to web browser XM rig for Android. Okay, now here let's go and download this logo. Okay, get the latest version. Close. Okay, and let's download it. Okay, it says file might be harmful. Download anyway. Install. Okay, accept. Trust permission. Install. We're done. Okay. Okay, so let's open it. Just allow. Here, we're gonna first we're gonna set it. Go to settings. Okay, settings. Click configuration. Not minor. Not minor. Let's just click settings, configuration, then click this option, then add configuration. Then we name it. Alright, guys, this is for XM Rig Miner for unmineable easy mode or easy miner. So, BTC mining. Okay, simple mode add. Now, just open it. BTC mining original. Then we're gonna put some okay fast here. Our port is 443. Full domain is, then paste it here. Okay. Now our Bitcoin mining address. SIB Bitcoin. Okay. Wait. Here, username. Okay. Here, gonna delete this. Okay. And then password just X. rxunmineable.com 443. Okay. CPU fast. Okay, max thread. Okay, max thread. I think 80%. Okay. Hash rate now 378 hash per second. Okay, as you can see, difficulty. Oh my god, we don't have accepted yet. Okay, guys, we have accepted. As you can see, one accepted. Let's go to unmineable.com. Okay, and let's see. Okay, as you can see, we have received the reward. Okay, as you can see, 5 minutes ago. Then worker here, random X. Okay, guys. Now, stop it. Just click stop here. Then it will stop. And then slide down. And then, okay. And then slide up. So let's see. No more. Okay. Now, the very easiest way to mine Bitcoin. Let's go. First, just copy our mining address. Then let's go to webminer page. Here, here we can replace this. Okay, our Bitcoin mining address. As you can see here, we're gonna use Power 2B micro Bitcoin. Okay, and then we're gonna use zfull.ca, and then pay attention here, guys. Pay attention here. So our port is 6242, and then password is coin is equal to BTC. We're gonna mine micro Bitcoin, but payment is Bitcoin. So let's start. Okay, guys, we are going to mine a micro Bitcoin. Then it will pay us Bitcoin. Let's start. This is very easy setup or easy miner, and you can use this into your TV or Android TV, anything that have internet or web browser, to your laptop, to your computer. Okay, now here you can use 7 or 8. 8 is the maximum threads of our mobile phone, but don't use maximum of thread. It will damage your phone if you don't have a cooling system. So right now I'm recording. I'm gonna put 7 here for the thread, and that's mine. Start mining. Okay, it says connected. Okay, guys, this miner is very easy to set up, and we do have dev fee for our mining 2%. As you can see. Now let's wait our mining. Okay, we have 332.9 hash per second, and we have accepted share of 4. Now let's wait just like 5 minutes. Okay, and we go back and we go to zaypool.ca and let's see our activities. Okay guys, let's see. Let's go to zaypool.ca. Okay. Okay. Then let's go to wallet. Okay. And then let's paste our wallet here. Then click go. Okay, so this is our wallet. We have here webminer algorithm power 2B. Okay. And we have a first receive earning MBC. So this MBC will be converted to Bitcoin. Now let's go back to our miner. Okay. We have 70 shared, accepted shared. Okay. Let's wait until 100 shares and let's see. Okay guys, now let's see. Let's go to Zaypool. Now let's refresh. Okay, now here we have a payment, as you can see here. Okay, now our maximum payment or Bitcoin is 0.00075 after we receive our reward or our um, payment. As you can see here, remaining payment until 100%. Okay guys, as you can see here, we have a received a payment or our earnings of micro Bitcoin. Then it will convert it to Bitcoin. Now, to be able to receive the payment, we need a minimum balance of 0.00075 Bitcoin or worth of almost 50 US dollar. Okay, after confirming the network, it will automatically deposit to your address or to your receiving address, Bitcoin address in your MetaMask. Okay, you can use your Android TV, your laptop, your mobile phone, your tablet that have web browser. So as you can see here, our miner is have 2% dev fee, and then that's all. This miner is very easy to use. This is the most easiest miner for Bitcoin. Now we will mine MBC coin, then it convert to Bitcoin. And then if we reach 0.00075 Bitcoin, it will automatically deposit to our Bitcoin address. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next video. Thank you very much and happy mining.